Welcome everyone today. We're diving into a delightful treat that's surprisingly simple to make: coconut macaroons. Get ready to fill your kitchen with an irresistible aroma. We're starting with just a few key ingredients. You'll need 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 200 grams of shredded coconut. Simply combine these ingredients in a bowl and mix them together until everything is beautifully incorporated. Next, prepare a baking sheet by spreading a thin layer of melted butter onto some wax paper. This little trick ensures your macaroons won't stick. Then, pour your coconut mixture onto the prepared paper, filling your pan. Pop them into your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll need about 25 to 30 minutes to bake. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The result: perfectly golden, chewy, and utterly delicious coconut macaroons. I hope you enjoy making and savoring these. Thank you for joining me today. If you love this recipe, feel free to follow along for more simple and tasty creations.